Then comes the programming operation, which must be reset first after the device is turned on. Then click on Login and select Super User. Password 3333, then click on Login. Click on the file in the top left corner, then click on the new item in the bottom left corner. New file name with letters or numbers. Click to edit. Let's take this drawing as an example and see how many welding points there are in the drawing. There are 4 solder joints in this drawing, so click to insert 4 times. Enter the X and Y coordinates of each welding point according to the drawing. After completing the input, click Save. After inputting the coordinates, place the bar and arrow to be welded into the furniture. Click on 10 plus 10, Y plus Y at the position of the first solder joint. Move the welding gun to the actual position of the first welding point on the ball and arrow. Click on Coordinate Correction, then Save. Programming completed. Try the program. Click on Furniture to start, and then click on Start again. Operation method of bolt welding nail. On the main page, click on the parameters and enter the number for welding repair in the area of the block. For example, it is necessary to weld the second and third screws. Input 223. For example, just need to weld the second one, that is, input 222. After completing the input, save and press Start to automatically weld. Next is the DXF mapping function. First, insert the BAF tray and click on the File New. Create a new document file name with letters or numbers. Click on the DXF map to select the target document. Select the newly created document and click to select the target file. Then click to open the DXF document. Click on the top left corner and select Move Disk. Select the DXF file from the mobile disk and click on Convert. Display DXF file imported successfully. Then click on the program to view the files inserted into the recently moved disk.